What if I told you that humans might be able to live 20,000 years? Not 100, not 200, not even 1,000. 20,000 years. This sounds impossible, but a scientist who studies aging says it could happen. But the reason why might surprise you. Right now, most humans live around 70 to 90 years, and we think that's just normal. But according to one scientist, we've barely scratched the surface of how long humans could live. His name is João Pedro de Magalhães. He's a professor who studies aging at a major university in England. And he believes aging isn't really a disease. It's a software problem. Yes, like a computer. And once you hear what he means by that, you'll never think about aging the same way again. Magalhães says your DNA works like a set of instructions. These instructions tell your body how to grow, how to heal, and how to stay alive. But here's the scary part. Some of those instructions keep running after they're no longer helpful. And over time, they start to damage your cells. That damage, that's what we call aging. Wrinkles, weak muscles, diseases, all of it. But what if we could rewrite those instructions? What if we could turn aging off? Magalhães doesn't just guess. He studies animals that already live insanely long lives, like the bowhead whale. It can live over 200 years, or the naked mole rat. It's tiny, but lives 10 times longer than similar animals. And here's what's crazy. These animals don't avoid damage, they just repair it better, especially their DNA. And humans? We're actually not that bad at this. We're just not good enough. Yet. Magalhães believes the future isn't about one miracle pill. It's about technology that doesn't exist yet. Technology that can fix DNA damage, reprogram aging cells, stop cancer before it starts. Basically, cells that don't get old. And if we ever figure that out, everything changes. Magalhães says he ran the numbers. And if aging were completely cured, the average human lifespan would be over 1,000 years. But the maximum lifespan, assuming no accidents, no violence, up to 20,000 years. Let that sink in. That means someone born today could still be alive when today's history books are ancient legends. But there's one final question. Just because something is possible doesn't mean it's coming soon, or that we're ready for it. So the real question isn't, can humans live 20,000 years? It's this: should we? And what happens to the world when death is no longer guaranteed? Like and subscribe for more.